Alright, here's the motor, guys. This is a motor that's going to be going into the white GT. It's complete. Came out of a wrecked S550. Has a broken mount, but we're going to be removing it and installing some cams. So, quick little rundown. We got ARP hardware. This is for the alternator by power by the hour because we're going to flip it. We have the power by the hour kit right here. We're using L&M cams. We're doing MMR oil pump gears and MMR chain tensioners. So first things first, we got to basically take the valve covers off, the intake off, the whole front accessories, timing cover, all that stuff has to come off. All right, guys, so this thing is pretty much undressed. I just got to take the balancer off, and then the timing cover should come off. Quick little walkthrough. Valve cover bolts, they're 10s. There's about like 8 per side. The intake manifold bolts, it has 3 per side, they're 8s. What else? Fuel rails, it has 2 per side, those are 10s. Water pump bolts, they're 10 millimeters as well. And these are 10s and 13s, I believe, for the timing cover. Just a little side note, guys, you will need a puller to remove the balancer. So just keep that in mind for you guys doing oil pump gears or anything else. You will need a puller. Really quick, guys, so I'm taking off the chains right now. One thing that I always like to do is I like to line up everything. So as you can see right there, we got that line in between, and we got this other black one with the line on the sprocket. So that's lined up. Once I rotate this side, it's gonna line up as well. And then as you can see, the keyway is at 12, and I like to line that up, and then I take the chain off, and then I turn this to 5 o'clock, and then I take this chain off. All right, guys, making a little progress. We got the left intake cam in, we got the ARP bolts in. I'll torque those down a little bit. We got the right side cam going in. Now, something to note, guys, never run the cam down with the cam caps, because if it's crooked like that, see there, like this one's looks seated, this one's seated, you can bend the cam or damage the head. So make sure you have that play right there, you know, it's seated fully, you know, it's smooth, it's not binding, then you know it's good. Then you can put the cam caps on and torque them down, and you're ready to go. Really quick, guys, I want to point something out. Pay close attention to the cam caps. They have numbers. I don't know what would happen if you put them in the wrong spot. I don't think anything really would happen, but don't run that risk. Another thing too, it has a curved side, like a half moon, and it's got a flat side. You want the half moon side going towards the spark plug tube, because then it will clear the valve cover. So just pay close attention. All right, guys, so torque sequence for the cam caps. We're gonna ignore all these because we didn't remove the exhaust cam. We're just gonna do 1, 2, and then work. So we're working our way from the center out of the cams. So for the ARP bolts, the torque spec is 180 inch-pounds or 15 foot-pounds. All right, guys, quick little tip. When putting the phasers back on, you can mark where the phaser guide pin is and where the cam phaser hole is. Makes it a lot easier to line everything up. Timing wise, on the left side, you got your mark right here, chain right here, and then obviously the back is right there, and then your right side with the right phaser. So cams are in, everything's torqued, chains are in, all the hardware is torqued. We put the MMR chain tensioners And we did the MMR oil pump gears, which that's pretty straightforward. You just take this 9 off, 2 8s, and then a 13, and then 2 10s down here, and everything just slides off. All right, we got this thing buttoned up. I'm gonna take it home, slap on the intake, the Cobra Jet, and the valve covers. Still have to shave this off because I'm flipping the alternator, but she get in there, she get in there.